Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you expert, no-nonsense reviews on the products that matter most. If you're someone who prefers a clean-shaven head but is tired of dealing with traditional razors, today's review is for you. We're taking a deep dive into the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric head shaver, an IPX7 waterproof, rechargeable grooming kit designed for bald men. So does it deliver the smooth, hassle-free shave it promises? Let's find out. This shaver features a detachable 7D floating head designed to provide a close, efficient shave while being easier to clean than standard models. It's IPX7 waterproof, which means you can use it wet or dry in the shower or with shaving cream. It boasts a Type-C quick charge with an LED display and a full 90-minute runtime. Plus, it's not just a shaver, it's a full grooming kit with 5 interchangeable attachments, including a trimmer, nose hair cutter, massage brush, and cleaning brush. Setting it up was simple. Right out of the box, it was fully charged and ready to go. The 7D floating head adjusted well to the contours of the scalp, making it easy to maneuver without excessive pressure. Dry shaving was fast and convenient, while a wet shave with shaving provided an extra smooth finish. Cleaning was effortless. Just pop off the detachable head and rinse underwater. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: floating head covers more surface area, reducing shaving time. Easy cleaning. The detachable head makes maintenance quick and effective. Versatile usage, works for both wet and dry shaving. Strong battery life, 90 minutes of use per charge is impressive. Multi-purpose attachments, trims, shaves, and even includes a massage brush. Cons: may require multiple passes. For those with thicker hair, a few extra strokes are needed for a perfectly smooth shave. Attachments are basic. While useful, the extra heads don't feel as premium as the main shaver. No travel case. Given its multi-use functionality, a carrying case would have been a nice addition. Is this review helpful? If so, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other bald-headed kings can find this video too. In terms of value for money, the SHPAVVER is fairly priced for a multifunctional shaver. It delivers on its main purpose, giving a clean, close shave, while also offering additional grooming functions. The build quality feels solid, and the waterproof feature adds convenience. However, if you're looking for an alternative, brands like Skull Shaver offer similar models with premium blade technology, but at a higher price point. Overall, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric head shaver is a practical, well-designed option for men who want an easy-to-use, all-in-one grooming solution. While it's not perfect, it meets the expectations for its category, especially considering the ease of cleaning and versatile usage. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly head shaver that gets the job done, this one is worth considering. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this shaver, let me know your thoughts in the comments. The link to check it out is in the comments box. Until next time, stay sharp and stay smooth.